Welcome to our channel. If you're looking for some fun and engaging activities to keep your kids entertained, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be sharing 10 ideas that are sure to keep your little ones busy and happy. So let's get started. Activity 1. Indoor obstacle course. Create an obstacle course in your home using pillows, chairs, and other household items. Kids can crawl under tables, jump over cushions, and race to the finish line. It's a great way to burn off some energy and get creative. Activity 2. Sensory bins. Fill a plastic bin with items like rice, beans, or sand, and let your child explore with their hands. Add in small toys or figurines for an added surprise. Sensory bins are a great way to promote sensory play and engage your child's imagination. Activity 3. Scavenger hunt. Create a scavenger hunt with clues and hidden items around your house or yard. It's a fun way to get your child thinking and moving, and can be tailored to any age group. Activity 4. DIY crafts. Set up a craft station with paper, glue, markers, and other supplies. Let your child get creative and make their own masterpieces. You can find plenty of easy DIY craft ideas online. Activity 5. Board games. Dig out the old board games and have a family game night. It's a great way to spend quality time together and teach your child important skills like taking turns and following rules. Activity 6. Science experiments. Find simple science experiments online and try them out with your child. It's a great way to spark curiosity and teach your child about the world around them. Activity 7. Cooking and baking. Get your child involved in the kitchen and let them help with simple tasks like mixing ingredients or measuring. Cooking and baking is a fun way to teach your child about nutrition and encourage them to try new foods. Activity 8. Nature walks. Go on a nature walk and explore your local park or nature reserve. Look for different plants and animals, and encourage your child to ask questions and observe the world around them. Activity 9. Dance party. Put on some music and have a dance party in your living room. It's a fun way to get moving and release some energy. Activity 10. Movie night. Set up a cozy spot with blankets and pillows, and let your child pick out their favorite movie. It's a great way to wind down and relax together. So there you have it, 10 fun and engaging activities for kids. We hope you found these ideas helpful and that they inspire you to get creative with your own family. If you have any other ideas or suggestions, please share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun and helpful videos.